Let's jump right into this explainer. We're unpacking the AI gold rush and a massive wealth creation shift underway. By 2026, the gap between people using free AI tools and those ignoring them will be absolutely massive. Ordinary folks are already automating work and making money online way faster than ever before. It's crazy. Part 1. Next-Gen Content Creation. Let's look at the absolute best AI tools for your digital toolkit. Need to write faster? Claude AI lets freelancers completely crush client work and deep research in mere minutes. For visuals, Leonardo AI lets literally anyone instantly generate stunning YouTube thumbnails, ads, and social media graphics. Into video, Runway AI generates cinematic footage, letting creators easily build entire faceless channels from scratch. And to voice it all, 11 Labs creates incredibly realistic, human-sounding narration that businesses rely on every single day. Moving to Part 2, no-code business automation. Let's shift gears from content creation to streamlining your entire operation. Connect your apps with Zapier to automate all that repetitive work. You'll save your business hundreds of hours. Plus, AI website builders let you launch professional sites in minutes, zero coding required, which is a real game changer. Here's the real secret. The biggest opportunity isn't replacing humans, but humans using AI to move way faster. Learn these free tools today because over the next few years, this massive economic shift will change everything. So, will you master these tools today to completely dominate tomorrow's automated economy or get left behind?